everybody. My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. We are making a Poblano pepper that is stuffed with a cornbread and chorizo stuffing wrapped in bacon. So I have my things all together. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, so we are ready. I have my Poblano peppers, most of them prepared. This, if you've never seen one, is a Poblano pepper. This is a mild pepper from Mexico, and I have mine, I have 8, and I have 7 of them all prepared, and I'm going to show you how I do that. The idea is you want to keep your pepper together as much as possible so that it doesn't just flail when you cook it. Voila. So you can see right there, and I'm just cleaning out the seeds with my finger. Then I noticed about chorizo sausage, there's not a lot of fat in it. So when you're cooking it, you might want to add just about a tablespoon of olive oil into your meat to keep it from sticking. I have prepared my pans. I have 2 of these and sprayed them with non-stick spray. I'm going to cook 8, so they're pretty big. So we got those. We are making a cornbread stuffing. I made corn muffins this morning and they're nice and cool. And it takes 6. So one, if you want to make them from scratch, you can do that. Cornbread is fine, but this is what's called for in the recipe. So all you're gonna do is break them up. Before I do that, I wanted to tell you we need to take our peppers and onions, and we're going to saute those on the stovetop just until they're a little bit soft so that they're not hard in the stuffing. And this is what I've got. I have them cut about, I don't know, pretty small for the stuffing, and I'm just going to saute them until they're soft. This is what the cornbread looks like. Then we're going to take our chicken broth. We're just gonna kind of wet the bread. The reason we're doing that is we're gonna add some cheeses and spices, and we want it to stick real good. So do that. Then we're gonna take our corn, our cheese, our chilies. This is your opportunity to make it hot. Mine aren't hot. And we have our pepper, spoon. I'm going to stir this up. Add our chorizo sausage. It's all cooked. Stir that in. These are ready. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is our stuffing. Let's get it. All right, so now it's time to stuff. What you're gonna do, try hard not to pop the top so that it holds together. Okay, so we are going to stuff them. Okay, so we're at the end of our first pan, and peppers are huge, so we went ahead and added a second piece of bacon. And I am using a toothpick to hold it in. There we go. Whew. There is our first tray. Now before I put these in the oven, I am going to sprinkle a little bit of extra cheese and a little bit of feta cheese. So let me get the second pan done, and then I will come back and show you the finished pans before they go in the oven. We have our peppers stuffed. Something else I wanted to let you know, chorizo sausage has a dye in it. And I had plastic gloves on, mostly because I never deal with peppers without plastic gloves. But when dealing with chorizo sausage, it will stain your hands. So you might want to use plastic gloves because it was kind of messy. I'm going to add just a little bit extra cheese. And the other thing I'm going to be adding is a little bit of feta crumbles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stick a couple pieces in the seams. I'll let you see how it looks. And I just wanted to thank you for joining me this Sunday afternoon cooking in my kitchen as we made our chorizo cornbread stuffing with, well, bacon wrapped. I mean, it's so, so yummy. I will see you next Sunday here on the Happiest Cook, where we will explore more fun things to cook in the kitchen. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.